Hi, today let's talk about a field that is booming right now. Yes, digital marketing. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. The world is getting more digital every day. People, including you and me, spend a lot of time online, browsing, shopping and socializing. This shift has made digital marketing very important for companies. In order to grow their businesses, they need to be where their customers are, and they are online. That's right. Digital marketing job market is projected to reach a valuation of $160 billion by 2025. Meaning there will be a huge increase in the number of job opportunities. तो समझदारी इसी में है कि समय के साथ रहते हुए डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में करियर बना लो. In this video, you will get to know everything about digital marketing. I will talk about what is digital marketing, who can make a career in digital marketing, what are the various types of digital marketing, how to start a career in digital marketing, roadmap to learn skills of digital marketing, and average salaries of digital marketers in India. So let's start by understanding what is digital marketing. In simple terms, digital marketing is all about promoting products or services using various digital channels like social media, search engines, emails, and websites. And now, if you are thinking, is digital marketing right for you? Then here's the answer. Anyone can make a career in digital marketing. Whether you have a background in business, IT, arts or science, there is a place for you in digital marketing. All you need is creativity, analytical skills and a willingness to learn. Let's understand by knowing different types of digital marketing where you can make career in. The first on the list is SEO or search engine optimization. SEO is all about making your website more visible on search engines like Google. Let me give you an example. Suppose you are a food blogger and you have written a blog about the best street food in Delhi. You would want it to reach to more people, right? Then you will use keywords like Delhi street food or best chaat in Delhi. So Google can understand the intent of your content and show it to the relevant audience and increase the visibility. Next is PPC or pay per click advertising. PPC is to run ads on search engines and social media so that targeted customers can be directed to your website. And you pay each time someone clicks on your ad and lands on your website. Then there is a content marketing. It involves writing blogs, creating videos or infographics to attract and engage more and more audience. And next is social media marketing. With billions of people using platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter every day, social media marketing is a great way for businesses to connect with their customers. You can create engaging posts, run targeted ads and interact with followers to build a loyal community and drive traffic to your websites. There are some more types of digital marketing. You can see them here. You can learn more about them from our blog mentioned in the description box below. I know your next question will be how to start a career in digital marketing. Here is how you can start. Learn the basics, get certified, gain experience, build a portfolio and stay updated. और ये सब हो सकता है by pursuing a digital marketing course with Internshala. This online course will train you with real life projects and help you become a master of digital marketing in only 5 months. Added bonus, you will also get a guaranteed placement after the course is complete. The course link is in the description box below. Now let's understand the main skills you need to know to become an expert in digital marketing. First is get hands-on, useful and popular digital marketing tools. Here is a list of few tools for you on the screen. You can learn more about these tools by clicking on the blog link in the description box below. Next, in understanding the digital marketing roadmap is learning from successful case studies and real-world projects. By analyzing these real-world case studies, you can get inspiration to build your own digital marketing strategy. So the first such case study is about Boat. Boat is a top Indian brand for audio and wearable products. The company has lots of loyal fans that they have built by partnering with many influential celebrities, or you call it influencers, to create fun and engaging and relatable content, also known as influencer marketing. Another brand or case study that has done great with its digital marketing strategy is top food delivery platform in India, that is Zomato. Zomato's witty, clever and meme-worthy social media posts have helped them connect with more audience. By using popular trends and making content that people want to share, Zomato has gained a huge following through social media marketing. Now let's move on to the step 3 of the roadmap, which is all about practice, practice and practice. You can do this by creating digital marketing projects. So start by working on small projects, like you can start by creating a blog, try managing a social media page, or you can even launch an email campaign. These projects will help you apply what you have learned to real-world applications and develop practical skills. In the process, as you gain confidence and expertise, you can take on bigger projects. If you want to pursue a project under guidance, apply for Internshala's Digital Marketing Placement Guarantee course and work under the supervision of industry experts. To get more project ideas, you can check out our blog on digital marketing projects mentioned in the description box below. Now, once you have worked on some projects and build a portfolio, it's time to start applying for jobs. Here are some of the top companies that hire digital marketer in India, clearing the job interviews. So to clear the interview round, all you need is to brush up on the fundamentals and practice the common HR interview questions. On the screen, you will also see the average salary of digital marketer in India. And that's it, the ultimate roadmap to digital marketing success. So follow these steps mentioned in the video. With hard work and dedication, you can land a job in digital marketing. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more career tips and share this video with someone who wants to start a career in digital marketing. All the best.